Guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make editing in CapCut PC smoother. So I have this problem like when I edit a video in CapCut PC, it's kind of like lagging, and then the CapCut PC is not performing well. And I found this trick to make the editing smoother so that the apps doesn't lagging, and here is how you can do. So what you need to do is go to the modify. So before you do anything, after you open CapCut and start a new project, you need to click on the modify first, and then go to the performance tab, and then here you need to turn on the proxy to speed up the editing, and then the video quality won't be affected. So you need to turn this on by clicking on the circle until it turns to blue like this. And you can also change the resolution into 540p. So if you change the resolution, it will only affect when you're editing. So you can see that now it's like processing like this, so waiting for a proxy to be generated. You can just wait. So after it finishes turning on the proxy, it will show up like this. So when you add it to track, the preview will look kind of like blurry, but it won't affect when you exporting. You can always choose the resolution up to 4K like this. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to click on the thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye!